sentence. Not guilty. That's what a Syracuse jury decided for former Rochester City Court Judge Leticia Astacio. Astacio was arrested last spring after deputies claimed she broke the law by trying to buy a shotgun while on probation following her drunk driving conviction in 2016. Josh Navarro was in Syracuse when the jury reached their verdict.
Once the jury said not guilty, we saw Leticia Astacio burst into tears. Her attorney says she got a fair trial here in Syracuse. Leticia Astacio seen here smiling as she leaves Onondaga County Courtroom 330, where this week her trial took place. Her case has been pending for over a year. Today, a jury determined without a reasonable doubt that she would not be convicted of the charge attempted criminal purchase or disposal of a dangerous weapon. A weight, according to her attorney, has been lifted off her shoulders.
We knew this was the right result all along, but to finally have it happen is an extraordinary experience.
Today, during the final moments of deliberations, the jury, comprised of mostly men, handed the judge a note expressing a more detailed explanation of the language of the charges and if she did in fact came dangerously close or very near to completion of purchasing a firearm, which would have been a violation of the terms of her probation.
Ultimately, the issue for them was how close she came to actually making the purchase based on their last note to us. So given that they were hung up on that particular issue, it's not a surprising result.
The special prosecutor for this trial added that the jury had all the evidence they needed to make their fair decision outside of public opinion, which Astacio may have faced if the trial took place in Monroe County.
This charge that exists is perfectly appropriate for people who are trying to get a gun through a straw purchaser or lying on a form, but she never even got a form. I mean, what they were trying to do was prosecute somebody that didn't even fill out paperwork. And as far as we know, nobody's ever been prosecuted under that theory before. So for the jury to acquit was the right thing.
Prosecutors say even though with that not guilty verdict, Astacio is still under probation for her DWI conviction until next year. From Syracuse, I'm Josh Navarro, News 8.
Josh, thank you. The not guilty verdict will allow Astacio to continue her bid for a seat on Rochester City Council. It also means she can continue to practice law in New York State.